Good morning, students. We are going to continuation of functions. Already studied Cartesian products, identities, functions, types of functions. Today we are going to horizontal line test. What is the horizontal line test? A function represented in a graph is 1 to 1. If every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most 1 point. A function represented in a graph is 1 to 1. If every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most 1 point. What is the meaning? Horizontal line. For example, the given graph, function or not. What type of function? 1 to 1 function or not? What is find out? First, the given function to draw horizontal line. To draw horizontal line. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is given line. L means line, straight line. What is this? The graph is given. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. What is this? This is graph. A line is given to draw horizontal line. To draw horizontal line. What is this? A line is given to draw horizontal line. A horizontal line meet at 1 point. A horizontal line meet at 1 point. Only 1 point. The point is P. What is the condition? Every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most 1 point. At most means maximum. Maximum 1 point. At most, அதிகபட்சம் ஒரு புள்ளி. Maximum 1 point. To draw the horizontal line, meet at only 1 point. The given condition is satisfied. So, the graph, the given function, the given graph, function or not? Yes. The condition is satisfied. What is the condition? What is the given condition? If every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most 1 point. This is only 1 point. The horizontal line meet at 1 point. The point is P. So, the given line is 1 to 1 function. Is 1 to 1 function. Okay. The another one example. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is given curve. The graph 1 to 1 function or not. What is the condition, sir? To draw horizontal line. To draw horizontal line any one place. Only one horizontal line is drawn. Any place. So, the horizontal line. To draw the horizontal line. Meet at 1 point. So, the given condition is satisfied. The given graph, the given curve is 1 to 1 function. 1 to 1 function. 1 to 1 function means 1 to 1 function. The third one. The similar way to draw the horizontal line, meet at only 1 point. So the given third example is also 1 to 1 function. Is also 1 to 1 function. The given curve, the given straight line or the given curve 1 to 1 function or not. How to define the graph 1 to 1 function or not? What is the condition, sir? Only one condition. To draw the horizontal line, meet at exactly, correctly, only 1 point. At most 1 point means maximum cut at one point. So the given rule satisfied, so one-to-one function. The given function is not satisfied. More horizontal line meet at one more point, 2 points or 3 points. So the given graph is not a one-to-one function. Okay. Next, we are going to vertical line test. It's a similar one of horizontal line test. What is the condition, sir? A curve drawn in a graph represents a function if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. What is the difference between horizontal line test and vertical line test? Only one difference. To draw horizontal line, here to draw vertical line. Say for example, first one. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is given curve. Here, draw the vertical line. A vertical line meet at 2 points. Meet at 2 points, namely P and Q. What is the condition? Vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. Is represents a function. Here, a vertical line meet at 2 points. So, the condition is not satisfied. So, what is the conclusion? The given graph is not a function. Not a function. What is the condition? To draw the vertical line, meet at one point is called function. Meet at one more point, more than one point is called not a function. Okay, next. To draw the vertical line. Sir, to draw the vertical line, right or left, any one place. To draw any one place on the curve. Here, meet at 3 points, namely P, Q, R. So what is your conclusion? A vertical line meet at one point is called a function. Meet at one more point, more than one point is called not a function. Here, a vertical line meet at 3 points, namely P, Q and R. So the given curve is not a function. Third one, what is this? X-axis, y-axis, the given curve, ellipse. To draw the vertical line, a vertical line meet at on the ellipse, meet at 2 points, namely P and Q. So the third one is also not a function. That's all. Next, 5 more question. Right? Let f be a function f from n to n. N means natural numbers. We defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 2, comma x belongs to n. All the values of x is belongs to natural numbers. Right. So what is the question? Find the images of 1, 2, 3. Question number 2. Find the 3 images of 29 and 53. Third one. Identify the type of function. Okay. Right. The given function is natural numbers n to n. So n means natural numbers. Okay. Right. So n equal to what? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But what is the given function? The given function is f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay. What is the first question? Find the images of 1, 2 and 3. What is the images? What is this? 1 is a pre-image, 2 is also pre-image, 3 is also pre-image. What is the image of 1? So how to find? Substitute x equal to 1. X is equal to 1. 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next, substitute x is equal to 2. 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Next, substitute x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 1. So, the images of, therefore, the images of 1, 2 and 3 is 5, 8 and 11. That's all. Second question. Find the three images of 29, 53. So, f of x means x is equal to pre-image. The total value of 3x plus 2 is image. What is this? X, f of x. F of x is equal to pre-image. What the pre-image of 29, 53. So f of x means pre-image. X is equal to 29. Substitute 3x plus 2 is equal to f of x. F of x equal to what? The value of f of x is equal to 29. 3x transpose 2. So 29 minus 2. 3x is equal to 27. X is equal to 27 by 3. 9 times of 3 is equal to 27. So x is equal to what? 9. The another pre-image of 53. So substitute f of x is equal to 53. Transpose 2. So 53 minus 2. 3x is equal to 51. X is equal to 51 by 3. X is equal to what? Time of 3 is equal to 51. 17 times of 3 is 51. So the pre-image of 29, 53 is, therefore the pre-image of 29 and 53 is 9 and 11. That's all. Question number 3. Identify the type of function. Identify the type of function. What is this? The first set, domain, is natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The codomain is also natural numbers. What are numbers? 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. 1 to 5, 2 to 8, 3 to 11, 4 to 14 is and so on. What type of function here? What type of function? One-to-one function, or many-to-one function, or into function, or onto function, or constant function, or identity function. What type of functions are? This is one-to-one function. One pre-image is connected with one image. So first of all, this is one-to-one function. Is onto function? Onto function means all the codomain value is equal to range. Here range is equal to codomain is not equal. Here the domain is equal to natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So, first of all, this is one to one function, but not onto function. So, onto function. Many to one function or not many to one function. Many to one function means many pre-image has only one image is a many to one function. So, is not a many to one function, is not a onto function, is not a constant function, is not a identity function. So, what type of functions are? This is one to one and into function. What type of function? The given function n to n is one to one and into function. One to one and into function. Next, we are going to another 5 mark question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14 be two sets. Let f from A to B be a function given by f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Represent this function by arrow diagram. Question number 2 in a table form. Question number 3 as a set of ordered pairs. Question number 4 in a graphical form. Very easy one, important 5 mark question. First, what is the given function? First to write the given function. Given function is equal to what? F of x is equal to 3x minus 1. A is given and B is given. Right. First, to find arrow diagram. How to find this arrow? First, substitute the values of x equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, finally 4. Substitute x is equal to 1 is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 1 is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Next, substitute x is equal to 2. 3 into 2 minus 1, 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Next, substitute x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Next, substitute x is equal to 4. Substitute x is equal to 4. 3 of 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. Only 4 numbers are given. So substitute all the numbers. What is this? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are pre-images. 2, 5, 8 and 11 is called range. Okay? What is this? These are the numbers pre-images. 2, 5, 8, 11 images. So this is domain, this is codomain. This is pre-image, this is image. The 2, 5, 8, 11 is also known as range. Okay, first question by arrow diagram. கேமரால நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். இந்த பக்கம் First to draw the arrow diagram. First, the domain value is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the range? What is the codomain? 2, 5, 8, 11. 2, 5, 8, 11. The free image 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 3 to 8, 4 to 11. This is arrow diagram. 1 mark. This is arrow diagram. Question number 2. What is the question? The question in a table form. Table form means x values f of x. Table means this is a table form. The horizontal value is x. The vertical line value is y. Y is also known as f of x. Y equal to f of x. F of x means a function with respect to x is called y. So what is the mathematical notation? F of x is known as y. This is tabular forms. What is the x values? The pre-image values is x and also the image values is y. So pre-images, the domain values 1, 2, 3, 4. The images, the range 2, 5, 8, 11. What is this? This is tabular form. Right. The third question. Set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. Set of all the tabular form to convert the point form 1, 2. X, f of x is a point form. X, f of x. 1, 2. The first part. 1, 2. Set of ordered pairs. This is one set. This is another one. The another one is another one. So, what is the set of ordered pairs? 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8. And finally 4, 11. Next, the final question. Give me a graphical form of the given function. Graphical form. To draw the graph. Already to find table form. X value is 1, y value is 2. Plot the points in graph. To draw the line is a graphical form. Fourth question. A graphical form. This is a graph. Right. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 5. 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Right. The scale, x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Here, 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Okay. The first set of ordered pairs, 1, 2. Plot the points in graph 1, 2. Right. Second one, 2, 5. X values is 2, y values is 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. X is equal to 2, y equal to 5, 2 to 5. Next, 3, 8 here. Next, finally, 4, 11. Right? To draw the line. This is a graphical form of the given function. That's all. Next. Next 5 more question. A function f from 5, 9 tends to r is defined as follows. F of x is equal to 6x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to minus 5 less than 2. Next, 5x square minus 1 if x greater than or equal to 2 less than 6. 3x minus 4 if x greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to 9. What is the question, sir? There are 4 questions. F of minus 3 plus f of 2. First question. Right? How to find out the given 4 questions. Right? Very important topic. The function f of x equal to what? F of x is equal to, the function is 6x plus 1, comma, what is the value of x? Sum of x values is applicable only 6x plus 1. So similar way of the another 2. Okay? Are you understand? Very important one. What is the value of x? Sum of x values only applicable for the given function. So 6x applying, what is the value of x is 6x plus 1. X greater than or equal to minus 5, less than 2. What is the value, sir? To draw the number line, this is 0, right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Left hand, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. What is the value of x? Less than or equal, greater than or equal to. Equal to means including minus 5. So, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, including 2 or not? Yes. Yes or no? No. Why? Equal. Less than or equal to. Equal to means is equal to 2. Here, only less than 2. Only less than 2 means the left side of 2. So, what is the value of, between the values of x greater than or equal to minus 5, less than 2. So, what are the values? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So, the value of x, we have x is equal to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. The similar way of another 2, 5x square minus 1, we have the values of x. What is the condition? Including 2, between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6, including 2. So, what are the values? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally, the last one function, 3x minus 4, we have x is equal to, what is the value of x? The values of x greater than or equal to 6, less than or equal to 9. What is the values? Between 6 and 9 and also including 6 and 9. So what are the values of x? The values of x is 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Very important to find the values of f of x, the applicable x value, first of all, the applicable x values, between the values, including or excluding the values, first of all, to find the values of x. Next, the first question, question number 1, f of minus 3 plus f of 2. This is the first question, f of minus 3. Where is the minus 3? Minus 3, the first one. So, use the function. So, f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. To find f of minus 3, x is equal to minus 3. 6 into minus 3 plus 1. 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 plus 1. The sign are different. So sub 18 minus 1, 17. Which is the biggest one? 18 is the biggest one. So using the symbol minus, minus 17. Next, f of 2. Where is 2? To judge 2. This is 2. So the applicable function f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. So substitute x is equal to 2 is equal to 5 into 2 square minus 1 is equal to 5 of 2 square 4 minus 1. 5 4s are 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. So what is the value of the first question? F of minus 3 plus f of 2. Therefore, f of minus 3 plus f of 2 equal to minus 17 plus 19 is equal to 2. Question number 2. F of 7 minus f of 1. What are the values of x? What is the value of x? X is 7. To judge 7, what values of x is 7? Where is the place? The 7 here. So the applicable function f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. F of x is equal to 3x minus 4. So substitute x is equal to 7. F of 7. 3 into 7 minus 4. 3 7s are 21 minus 4 is equal to 17. The another values. Find f of 1. F of 1. Where is the 1 place? Here. So the applicable function f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. Substitute x is equal to 1. F of 1. 6 into 1 plus 1. 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. Therefore, f of 7 minus f of 1. What is the value of f of 7? F of 7 is 70 minus f of 1, 7. 17 minus 7, 10. Right. Question number 3. Question number 3. 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. F of 4, the applicable 4 is equal to what? F of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. Substitute x is equal to 4. F of 4, 5 into 4 square minus 1. 5 into 4 square, 16 minus 1. 5 16s are 80 minus 1. So 79. F of 4 is equal to 79. Next, to find f of 8. F of 8, the applicable function f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. F of 8 is equal to 3 of 8 minus 4. F of 8 is equal to 3 8s are 24 minus 4. F of 8 is equal to 24 minus 4, 20. So add this 2 and also multiply by 2. 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. 2 into f of 4 equal to what? 79 plus f of 8, 20. Two into f of 4 plus f of 8 equal to 279 sir. 158 plus 20 is equal to 178. Okay? Right. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. First to find f of minus 2, f of 6, f of 4, f of minus 2. F of 4 is already find out f of 4 equal to 79. So to find f of minus 2, f of 6, f of minus 2. Okay, only one time to find. So f of minus 2. Where is the place of minus 2? The applicable function is equal to f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. F of x is equal to minus 2. Substitute x is equal to minus 2. 6 of minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 12 plus 1 is equal to minus 11. Next, f of 6. What is the value of 6? The third one. So f of x is equal to 3x minus 4 is equal. Substitute x is equal to 6. 3 into 6 minus 4. 3 6 are 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. Next to find f of 4. F of 4 is already find out f of 4 is equal to 79. So what is the value of question number 4? 2 into f of minus 2 minus of f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2 equal to 2 into f of minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to what? Minus 11. Minus 11. Minus. What is the value of f of 6? F of 6 is equal to 14 divided by f of 4 equal to what? F of 4 equal to 79 plus what is the value of f of minus 2? F of minus 2 is equal to minus 11. 2 11s are 22 minus 22 minus 14 divided by 79 plus into minus minus 11. Both of them minus, so add. So minus 36 divided by sub 79 minus 11. 9 minus 1 8. 7 minus 1 6. 68. Strike out 36, 68. Both of them even numbers. So strike out 2. Minus 18s are 36 divided by 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Again both of them even numbers. Again strike out 9 2s are 18, 17 2s are 34. So what is the fourth value of fourth one? The fourth one value is minus 9 by 17. That's all.